Dear children, let us discuss methods of warming up. There are following methods of warming up which are generally used. General method, simple exercises, striding, stretching exercises. General method of warming up consists of the following sequences and points. One is jogging. Every athlete should perform jogging or slow running for 5 to 10 minutes to increase the body temperature. For young ones, it may be for 3 to 5 minutes. Jogging should be started out slowly and then gradually increase in speed to its completion. Second one, simple exercises. After jogging, the simple exercise should be started from relaxed position. The exercise should be performed from simple to complex. It means that simple exercises should be done first and complex exercises afterwards. Striding, it means running the distance with long strides. The strides are long. The steps should be stretched out but not too much stretched. Knees should be go high. Body should lean forward and arms should be in running position. The distance of running should not be more than 50 meters. 4 to 8 repetitions can be performed. Then stretching exercises. Stretching exercise is one of the most critical parts of warm-up and an athlete's performance. A more flexible muscle is stronger and healthier. A stronger and healthier muscle responds better to exercise and activities and help in preventing athletic injuries. Wind sprints. This is last part of warming up. It is usually done with spikes on. In wind sprints, the distance of 25 to 30 meter may be covered. There can be 4 to 8 repetitions depending on age and experience of the sports person. So, let us start advantages of warming up. So, what are the advantages? It increases the body temperature, decreases the viscosity of muscles, increases the speed of normal impulses, decreases the resistance in muscle capillaries, increases the speed of transfer of oxygen and fuel to tissues, increases metabolic rate, reduces the anxiety and tension, enhances cooling efficiency. So, increases the body temperature. A proper warming up increases the body and temperature. So, it is beneficial for the sports persons. Researchers studies show that muscles have been slightly warmed up just before the activity. The performance is important. Failure to warm up before the vigorous activity may lead to retiring of muscle fibers. And if the muscle is warmed up, the speed which the muscle contracts and relaxes, it forces the contraction all are released. Decrease the viscosity of muscles. Warming up decreases the viscosity of muscles. Increase the speed and nerve impulses. Warming up increases the speed of nerve impulses, which improves and sharpens the reaction time of sports persons. Improvement is needed at the time and it is always beneficial approximately in most of the games and sports. Decreases the resistance of muscle capillaries. Research studies also reveal that warm up decreases the resistance in muscle capillaries. Then a proper warming up increases the speed of transfer of oxygen and fuel of tissues. It occurs due to the enhancement of blood flow through the muscles. Increase the metabolic rate. Warming up increases the metabolic rate, which ultimately enhances energy level. In fact, the metabolic rate increases due to rise in core temperature. There is an increase in temperature by 0.5 degree centigrade. The metabolic rate increases by 7%. Reduces the anxiety and tension. Warm-up is very useful in reducing the anxiety, tension of sportsmen, especially at the time of competition. It is also advantage helping to either reduce or increase the motivational level of sportsperson. Enhances cooling efficiency. After warming up, the body is able to activate the muscles which allow it to cool during physical exertion such as sweating. It means that the sports persons will not overheat only at the time of practice or competition. Reduces the blood lactic acid. Warm up avoids injury. Already we have discussed. Okay. Several scholars that failure to warming up may lead to tearing of muscles. So before going to any activity, if you will not go through the warming up, definitely there may be a chance of warming up the injury. Thus the danger of injury is reduced when an athlete or sportsman is completely warmed up. Increases the speed of muscles. So speed of muscles increases after warming up. Many scholars advocate that tearing of muscle fibers is common without adequate warming up, but this happens because the relaxed fibers do not respond to the pull suddenly placed to them by the rapidly contracting muscles. So warming up is highly necessary. In case flexibility, warming up increases flexibility, but if proper warming up is not done, then body will be less flexible. After warming up, we can exert the force up to maximum distance, increases strength. Warming up increases the strength, increases endurance. Some eminent psychologists hold the opinion that warming up does not increase endurance and speed, but on the other hand, authentic research studies indicate that certain type of warming up increases both speed as well as endurance, increases explosive power, improves specific skills. If specific warming up is performed, then sportsperson or player gets warmed up through fundamental exercises. Their basic skills of a specific game. Improves neuromuscular coordination. Warming up improves neuromuscular coordination. If a basketball player wants to shoot the ball in the ring without warming up, there will be more chances of missing, but after warming up, his neuromuscular coordination will be improved and will lead towards accuracy. Improves the level of performance. Warming up decreases reaction time. Warming up brings second wind more readily. So dear children, so please go through advantages of warming up. Methods of warming up already we discussed. Thank you.